Little heavy dose but meaningful for walking on the difficult road in difficult time at different situation. Sharing this information read elsewhere. According to psychologists, there are four types of quotients. First one, intelligent quotient. This is the measure of our cognitive ability, that is solving maths, logical reasoning, comprehension, memorizing things and recall subject matters. Second one, emotional quotient. This is the measure of our ability to maintain peace with others, keep to time, be responsible, be honest, respect boundaries, be humble, genuine and considerate. Third one, social quotient. This is the measure of our ability to build a network of friends and maintain it over a long period of time. People that have average intelligent quotient but higher emotional quotient and social quotient tend to go far in life than those with only high intelligent quotients but low emotional quotient and social quotient. Most families and schools prioritize or capitalize in improving intelligent quotient level while emotional quotient and social quotient are laid down. A man of high intelligent quotient can end up being employed by a man of high emotional quotient and social quotient who has an average intelligent quotient. Our emotional quotient represent our character, whereas our social quotient represent our charisma. Give in to habit that will improve these three quotients, but more especially our emotional quotient and social quotient. Please do not teach your child and yourself only to have higher intelligent quotient. Now there is a fourth one, a new paradigm, that is a adversity quotient. This is the measure of our ability to go through a rough patch in life and come out without losing our mind. Adversity quotient determines who will give up in face of troubles and may abandon their families. In the context of corona or recession, many professionally successful people are gone through stretch of depression because they have not seen and thus are unprepared for adversity. So, here is small advice to parents and to yourself. Expose your children or yourself to other areas of life than academic. Adopt or get involved in activities which helps to develop emotional quotient, social quotient and the adversity quotient. Should become multifaceted human beings able to do things independently. Finally, as there is known saying, do not prepare the road for the children, prepare the child for the road. Like so, don't wait for someone to help you. Prepare yourself to face situation without losing your mind.